Hi again. In this tutorial we need to complete creating the arm. So let's switch to the front view. As you see here, when we create this piece and this piece, we got some overlapping in this area. So that's not correct, and that's not gonna work. So we need to fix this area. We need to cut this piece and cut this one. So let's tap and let's grab this piece and let's start with this one. I will activate Carver tool with this one selected, Control Shift X, and switch from rectangle to line, and let's cut this piece from here. Create a line just like that to cut this piece. When you complete, hit space, and there we go. Now we cut this piece. Let's hit right click to deactivate the Carver tool, and let's grab this one. Control Shift X to activate the Carver tool, and let's switch to the line, and let's cut this too, just like that, and hit space. Now we create a gap in this area. Now that will work. Right click to deactivate Carver tool. Let's see what else we can do here. Maybe we need to shade smooth these, so let's grab this one and right click, shade smooth, and after that go to auto smooth and activate it, and now we got nice result here. The same thing for this one, shade smooth and auto smooth, activate. The same thing for this and this and this, right click, shade smooth, and then alt auto smooth to active auto smooth for the three. Let's grab this one and hold shift to grab everything, shade smooth, and alt auto smooth for all of these pieces. That's nice, that's cool. Now let's see what else we can do here. Maybe we need to apply the bevel on this area. I think we got an overlapping here. Let's see what's going on here. I got some problem here. It's weird. Yeah, we got some overlapping in this area. We just need to scale this down a bit. So let's hit S and scale this to get nice results here. Yeah, now it's cool. And maybe I need to fix the issue that I got here from the front view. Maybe hit G and move it forward. Sorry, grab this G and move it forward, just like that. I know I have misalignment here, but that's okay. It seems like that we need to make the hole in the chest bigger to fix it, but that's not a big issue. This result will work. So let's see what we can do else here. Let's grab this one and let's apply the bevel for it. Before applying the bevel, let's slash this. Let's hit slash, and let's tap to the edit mode to delete this face because we don't need it. Grab this one, XF to delete it, and delete this one, and maybe we can grow the selection to delete these, XF, because we don't need them. They are not gonna be shown to the camera. And let's see what else we can do here. Maybe we need to, or I can leave it just like that. Tap to the object mode and let's apply the bevel modifier and change this to angle and activate harden normal, and let's change this from 10 centimeter to 0.2, maybe 0.2, that's too much. Well, 0.02, yeah, 0.02, that's gonna work fine. Hit slash to exit of the local mode, and let's apply the same modifier for this piece. Well, select this one and select the piece that have the modifier, and Control L and link the modifier, and now apply it. Let's isolate this new piece to see if is there any problem, because maybe we will got some problem right here. And yes, the result is not quite perfect, and let's see why is that. Tap to the edit mode and let's see what we got here. Maybe I need to crank this down, the angle of the bevel. Let's take this down. Think that's gonna be better to get nicer result right here, and that's right. Now we have better result. Let's see here what we got. Let's tap to the edit mode, switch to the vertex. I need to push this up a bit, key twice, and slide it. Now we just fix the issue right here. And I think in this side, yeah, that's right. Grab this one, key twice, and slide it. And let's see what we got here. The same thing here. Key twice, slide this down, and key twice for this one, and slide it down just like that. And now we got very nice, beautiful result right here. Well, what about this side? I don't want it actually. You can hit XF to delete this, and that's perfect. Hit slash to exit of the local mode, and let's grab these, the three, this one, this one, this one. Hold shift to grab this, control L, and let's link the same modifier. And let's see if is there any bad result here that we got. By the way, we just forget something. Let's increase the number of segments for each one. For this, and this to 2, and this, the same thing for this one, and this one, let's add 2. And for this piece, we got the same problem maybe. Let's select it, hold shift to grab this, control L, and link the same modifier, and let's see the result. Isolate it, hit slash. Sorry, just this alone, isolate it. That's cool. And yes, we got some problem with the shading right here. Well, let's see how can we fix them. Let's see what we got here. We got weird edge here in this area. We can dissolve it. Grab this, control X to dissolve it. The same thing on this side. Maybe I don't want this one. Dissolve this one. Control X, sorry. Well, let's see what else we can do here. Let's slide this vertex key twice. and let's slide this one key twice. The same thing for this side and this side. And let's see what else we can do here. Tap to the object mode, and now the results are beautiful here. Cool, very cool. Hit slash, and let's see what else we can do. Alright, let's isolate this piece to fill this face, to fill this gap. So alt click, hit F to fill this area, and let's apply the same modifier. I think we got a problem here with the shading. Select this one, jump to the auto smooth, and let's crank the angle down to bring back these edges. And now that's cool. And by the way, I think we need to apply the same number 26 for the all pieces. So before that, let's apply the modifier, the bevel. Select this one, and then hold shift and select any geometry with the bevel. Control L, link the modifier, and let's grab this one, and let's jump to the, let's isolate it first, and let's go to the auto smooth, and let's type here 26. And actually, I think it's not needed to do that, but if you do that, that will be correct. You can ignore it actually, because as you see here, we didn't notice any huge difference here. So let's see what else we can do here. Let's grab these three and hold shift to grab this one, control L, and link the modifier, and there we go. The same thing, grab this one and go to the auto smooth, add 26, and with this one selected, hold shift to grab this, control L, and link the modifier, and we need to make some adjustment here. Tap to the edit mode, and let's push these vertices away a bit, this one, and hold shift to grab this one, G twice, and slide them. The same thing for this side, G twice, slide this, and slide this, G twice, and there we go. Now it is correct. Well, what about this piece? Grab it, shade smooth, activate auto smooth, type here 26, and maybe we need to fix something here. Grab this one, key twice, and grab this, key twice. The same thing here, key twice, and the same thing right here. That's cool. After that, select it and select a piece with the bevel. Control L, link the modifier, and there we go. So we just finished. Now everything is smooth. Now if we select another matte cap, let's see what we got right here. Maybe this one right here. Now we got nice results and beautiful. Let's select another one. By the way, as I said before, all of these matte caps will be provided with the course, so don't worry, all of these matte caps you will have them. Now we got very nice result here for the arm. Alright, so that will do it for this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.